Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create unlimited designs. Now a lot of people fall into this trap of like burnout or whatever. I did too, don't worry. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get out of that shit, how to start designing a lot more. No, never go into that burnout, always evolve, kind of get better and shit like that. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is when I head over to Pinterest. Now I say this like every video now, but the reason I'm saying this is because like everyone takes inspiration from something, right? So let's just take this for an example. Someone took inspiration from this and they probably took it from like different shit they seen. So once you're exposing yourself to different designs, you're kind of like sparking ideas in your head. You know, it can be anything. Literally, once you have something that you want to create or recreate, even if you don't do it one-to-one, you're still going to make something crazy. Especially if you try, like if you actually try and you know you do all the steps, you do everything, you can make something like crazy as fuck, something no one's ever thought of because it's impossible to think of it. So for your inspirations, you kind of want, you know, things you've never done before or something just outside of your niche, outside of your comfort zone. So I took these kind of examples here. I'm gonna, you know, space around in mood board. This is just a normal document on Photoshop. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be going off of these and kind of just making something weird, random, crazy, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, that's another thing is, you know, step outside your comfort zone. A lot of people are stuck in their comfort zone. They're doing the same shit. They're not taking inspiration. That's what I was doing a few months ago. I was doing the same shit and I stopped designing completely because, you know, it got repetitive. It got like really boring for me. But once you're doing this, and even if you create different designs, different type of designs, doesn't have to be a cover. Like I might just make a poster right now because all of these are basically posters. Really just like keep on stepping outside your comfort zone, because the more you do it, the better you're going to get at different things. You know, you don't want to be just making posters or just making cover arts. You want to kind of branch out. Like I've been doing merch recently. I've been doing posters, flyers. Like I'm gonna probably make a video on all that shit, but you just want to keep branching out. You don't want to stay stuck in the same place because you're not growing, you're not, you know, evolving your style. People ask me that all the time, how do you get better at your style, or how do you create this kind of signature style? And the best thing is to actually do that is to create more, bro. I say that to everyone, just create more shit and eventually that will come to you. Like once you're, so I actually don't know how big a flyer or a poster is supposed to be. So let me see, maybe an A4. How much is that in pixels? That's alright. So we'll just do that. But yeah, people asking me, how do I do my style? How do I do my whatever? You just have to create more. You just have to take different bro. If you take an inspiration and you try to recreate it and you fail, that's the best case scenario, because once you do that, you're like breaking the ice and you probably made something better. You probably learned something new. You probably just learned a different style. You unlocked a new fucking, like, bro, like the amount of shit that comes out of this is crazy. But yeah, just keep experimenting, keep trying. The more you try, the better you're gonna get. Even if you fail at something, like if you fail at recreating a design, bro, you're gonna learn something. Might just do like a bluish color, same as this one maybe, or I might just do like completely different, do red. Hey, so for this I'm gonna just use Protect. What do you guys think of Protect's album, bro? But yeah, just realizing everything's based on that inspiration, that will kind of like open your eyes a little bit more, because bro, a lot of people are stuck in their ways. They don't want to, you know, copy someone else, or they don't want to look like they took inspiration from something. Bro, do it, bro. Who gives a fuck? Because they did it, bro. Everyone looks at something and they're like, oh yeah, let me recreate something, or let me add this in. Another thing is to kind of like time yourself or challenge yourself by setting a timer. And the reason you want to do that is mainly just because you want to kind of push yourself. You want to get into like a deep flow when you're designing for half an hour, and you're like counting down the seconds or the minutes, and you're like looking at your clock, you're looking around, like, bro, lock in a bit, will I? Fucking hell, the textures on these are a bit crazy, not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna do that in the back. I'm gonna do the same shit they do. to these little spikes and shit. Stroke on that bitch too, like an orange or red. Then I'm gonna do like a little fucking outline around them. Bow, 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 bow. Some shit like that. Yo, that looks tough. Let me just stretch it down here. Like that. But yeah. Next thing is to just experiment with new styles, like I said before. How do you... Bro, unlimited designs is literally just finding your own, or finding different shit and turning it into your own, alright? There's really not much to it. A lot of people kind of get stuck in, oh no, I don't want to copy someone else, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. But realistically, who gives a fuck? And secondly, I don't give a fuck. So some little text like this, just have it like kind of like that. Yo, that's tough. We could do like steam fade, or we'll do like ball hog down here. Now this isn't like the normal shit I would do. Like, obviously you guys know I'm not really like this type of, I don't really experiment that much when it comes to these type of designs, but it's really just to show you guys, like, bro, just do random shit like this. Like, usually I'll do this with cover arts, but you know, I kind of came to this realization mid video, I need to do other shit, bro. Especially with the vids, cause let me know down below if you guys want, you know, different type of videos, like different. I know I did the merch one, that shit flopped. Alright, fuck you guys. Secondly, I just want to say I realized I said that I did not mean anything, but respectfully, watch that video, please. Nah, I'm playing. That shit was out. Sorry. I had like a bullet hole, like it's all framed up or some shit. We could like, yo, we could do like we could turn this into like a framed poster, like make it look like it's framed, like the reflection and shit. I think, right? Texture. We'll just do texture, paper texture. I do have some in my mixed media pack I might use. Low key. I'd be forgetting I have those. Go to caution.com to get your packs, and this could be yours. Nah, I'd die for a bit of texture. What if we like, yo, that's tough. Hold on. Hold up. And blur that shit. Blur the mask. Like so. Just so it's not like crazy. Even like on this little spike here, we could put like a texture on that. So this like some corrupt ass shit. But I fuck with it. Like this dope. This hard. This crazy. Shit, I might just put this in too. Have that there. Yeah, this like, yeah, this hard. I'm not gonna. It's lucky hard. I might duplicate this protect text, bring it down. Do seeing faces. Yeah, that shit tough. We can add some black and white spots, or wait, make it black and white. Add some color, and that's how you make. That's how you come up with unlimited designs. Like, bro, literally just fucking. You guys can take this as inspiration and do some other shit, bro. Like, I'm trying to tell you guys, like, there's unlimited shit. There's no such thing as burnout unless you actually hate what you're doing. Like, you shouldn't design if you don't like it. It ain't for everybody, okay? It's not for everybody. Gonna do my little secret shit. It's not really secret anymore. This, bro, I used to have everyone on lock with this shit. Then I spilled sauce. Here's what it is, man. Yo, this shit is so hard. Oh, fuck. What the hell? Oh, shit. Nah, what the fuck? That bitch is hard. I might keep it like that, low key. Just like do a little small shit. Oh my days, bro. See, that's what I'm talking about, bro. You can make something that's fucking some other crazy ass shit. You can fail to do it and create some crazy ass shit. That's literally what I was talking about. But yeah, hopefully this video opened your eyes. It was a bit valuable to you. Hopefully that's what I hope that comes out of this video. It's valuable. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, and yeah, peace.